Hello and welcome back to iCalculator for the final installment of our German tax series. Today, we're simplifying the often daunting task of filing taxes in Germany. With the right knowledge and tools, navigating tax season can be a breeze, even in a system as comprehensive as Germany's. Gather necessary documents. Before diving in, ensure you have all essential documents at hand. This includes your Lohnsteuerbescheinigung, similar to a wage tax statement, receipts for potential deductions, and any other relevant income statements. Choose your filing method. In Germany, you can opt to file your taxes manually using paper forms or digitally via the ELSTER portal, the official online tax filing system. The choice often depends on personal preference and the complexity of your financial situation. Understand deductions and allowances. Germany offers a plethora of deductions and allowances. From work-related expenses to special provisions for families, ensure you're aware of all potential deductions to minimize your tax liability. Complete and review your tax return. Whether you're using the ELSTER system or traditional forms, ensure you fill out all sections accurately. Once done, take a moment to review everything, ensuring all details are correct and all potential deductions are claimed. Submit and await feedback. After submitting your tax return, you'll receive a Steuerbescheid, tax assessment, from the tax office. This document will detail any refunds owed to you or additional taxes due. Ensure you review it thoroughly and make any payments, if necessary, by the specified deadline. Filing taxes in Germany, while comprehensive, doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a systematic approach and a clear understanding of the process, you can navigate tax season with confidence. For a more detailed walkthrough, tools, and the latest updates related to tax filing in Germany, we recommend visiting our iCalculator website. The direct link is available in the description below, ensuring you always have access to the most accurate and up-to-date information. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Germany's tax system. We hope we've shed light on the intricacies and made the process more approachable for you. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.